This is Gary and Jan Meyers of Hog Hill. Used to be a hog farm, but it's hog friendly like Harley Davidson. And these are the people who made this happen. And it just keeps getting bigger and better. Quite as rapid fire, but sure pretty, huh? Ain't seen nothing yet. You ain't seen nothing yet. Oh, got some thumpers there, yeah. Oh, yeah. Good shit, Maynard. Oh, gotta get up higher on these. Two little bigger tubes. I think he's coming out 3 inch tubes, I think. Oh, whoops. Whoop, whoop. There you go, Danny. Whoop, whoop. Light them up to the moon, Alice. Oh, I think it's that rainbow thing where they got the red, white, and blue going back and forth. That is totally cool. I don't know if I can get back far enough. I can't zoom out anymore, but yeah. Holy crap. Don't have a clue. Oh, that's a hell of a thumper. Oh yeah. Oh, oh yeah. Oh cool. Say awesome again. I think they spell it like a Wisami, right? A Wisami. Oh. Oh, shit. Knocking, thumping now. Thumping.
Page it.
Oh, that's probably going to be high. Oh, cool. Oh, super thumping, beautiful. Super thumpers. Wow. Oh, yeah. Nothing like feeling the shockwave too. Oh yeah, feel it. I think it's almost jerking the camera, but cool. Really cool jerk, yeah. Oh shit. Don't get no better. Discovery Channel, eat your heart out. Again. This is Hamilton, Indiana 2010. It don't get no better than this. Don't care where the hell you're at. Oh, jeez. Golf cart just rocking. Holy shit. Awesome. Oh, I think he's gonna be up there. Holy crap. Way up and way big. I mean, we're talking the whole sky is filled. Like, holy